Space, the final frontier, now with more AI. Space exploration is exciting. The vastness of the cosmos, the mysteries of distant planets, and the potential for discovering new life forms have always captured our imagination. But as thrilling as it is, space exploration comes with its own set of challenges. The harsh environment, the immense distances, and the need for precise and timely decision-making make it a daunting task. It's also really hard. We want to go farther and learn more. The deeper we venture into space, the more complex the missions become. We need advanced technology to help us navigate these uncharted territories. This is where artificial intelligence, or AI, comes into play. AI is revolutionizing the way we approach space exploration. Artificial intelligence, or AI, is helping us do that. By integrating AI into our spacecraft and tools, we can enhance their capabilities. AI systems can process vast amounts of data quickly and make decisions in real time, which is crucial for the success of space missions. AI is like giving brains to our spacecraft and tools. These intelligent systems can analyze their surroundings, adapt to new situations, and perform tasks autonomously. This level of autonomy is essential for missions that take place far from Earth, where communication delays can hinder real-time decision-making. This makes them smarter and more independent. For instance, Mars Rovers equipped with AI can navigate the planet's rugged terrain, analyze rock samples, and even search for signs of life without constant human intervention. This not only increases the efficiency of the mission, but also ensures the safety of the equipment. Think about it. Space is vast and dangerous. The unpredictable nature of space means that our equipment must be prepared for any situation. AI helps us anticipate and respond to these challenges, making space exploration more feasible and less risky. Communication signals take a long time to travel. When we send commands to a spacecraft or rover, it can take several minutes or even hours for the signals to reach their destination. This delay can be critical in situations that require immediate action. Rovers need to make decisions on their own. With AI, these rovers can assess their environment, make informed decisions, and carry out tasks without waiting for instructions from Earth. This autonomy is a game changer for space missions. AI lets them do this. By leveraging machine learning algorithms and advanced data processing techniques, AI systems can learn from their experiences and improve their performance over time. This continuous learning process is vital for the success of long-term space missions. AI is changing how we explore space. From navigation to data analysis, AI is enhancing every aspect of space missions. It allows us to explore more efficiently, make better decisions, and ultimately achieve our goals faster. It helps us learn more about our solar system and the universe. By processing and analyzing the vast amounts of data collected during space missions, AI enables us to uncover new insights and make groundbreaking discoveries. Let's blast off and see how. Join us as we delve into the fascinating world of AI-powered space exploration and discover how this cutting-edge technology is paving the way for the future of humanity in the cosmos. Mars is really far away. It's not just a hop, skip, and a jump away from Earth. In fact, the average distance between Earth and Mars is about 225 million kilometers. That's a journey that takes a lot of planning, precision, and patience. It takes months to get there. Depending on the alignment of the planets, a one-way trip to Mars can take anywhere from 6 to 9 months. Imagine traveling that long without a pit stop. This is why every mission to Mars is meticulously planned and executed. That's why we send robots. Specifically, we send rovers. These rovers are our eyes and hands on the Martian surface. They are designed to withstand the harsh conditions of Mars, from its thin atmosphere to its dusty terrain. Rovers are like robotic geologists. They are equipped with a variety of scientific instruments that allow them to analyze the Martian soil and rocks. These instruments can detect the presence of water, minerals, and other elements that are crucial for understanding the planet's history and potential for life. They drive around, take pictures, and study rocks. The images they capture are sent back to Earth, where scientists analyze them to gain insights into the planet's geology and climate. These photos are not just snapshots. They are detailed scientific data that help us piece together the story of Mars. AI makes these rovers much smarter. With artificial intelligence, rovers can make decisions on their own without waiting for instructions from Earth. This is crucial because communication between Earth and Mars can take anywhere from 4 to 24 minutes one way, depending on the planet's positions. AI helps rovers navigate on their own. They can plot their own paths, avoid obstacles, and even decide which areas to explore. This autonomy allows them to cover more ground and conduct more experiments in a shorter amount of time. They use cameras and sensors to avoid obstacles. These sensors can detect rocks, cliffs, and other hazards, allowing the rover to navigate safely across the Martian landscape. This capability is essential for ensuring the longevity and success of the mission. No more joystick driving from millions of miles away. Instead of relying on human operators to guide them, rovers can make real-time decisions based on the data they collect. This reduces the risk of errors and increases the efficiency of the mission. AI also helps rovers find interesting rocks to study. By analyzing the composition and structure of rocks, rovers can identify areas that are likely to yield valuable scientific information. This targeted approach maximizes the scientific return of each mission. They can analyze images and decide what's important. This capability allows rovers to prioritize their tasks and focus on the most promising areas. It also enables them to adapt to new discoveries and changing conditions on the ground. This saves scientists a lot of time and effort. More science, less busy work. By automating routine tasks, AI allows scientists to concentrate on interpreting the data and making new discoveries. This synergy between human expertise and robotic efficiency is what makes Mars exploration so exciting and promising. Curiosity and Perseverance are two famous Mars rovers. These robotic explorers have been our eyes and hands on the red planet, providing invaluable data and insights about Mars's environment and history. They are marvels of modern engineering, designed to withstand the harsh conditions of Mars and equipped with state-of-the-art technology to carry out their missions. They both use AI to do their jobs. Artificial intelligence is crucial for their operations, enabling them to navigate the challenging Martian terrain, conduct scientific experiments, and send data back to Earth. Without AI, these rovers would not be able to perform their tasks with such precision and efficiency. Curiosity landed on Mars in 2012. This marked a significant milestone in space exploration, as Curiosity was the most advanced rover ever sent to Mars at that time. Its landing was a complex and daring maneuver, involving a sky crane that gently lowered the rover onto the Martian surface. It has driven over 16 miles and studied thousands of rocks. Curiosity's mission has been to explore Gale Crater, a location believed to have once held water. By analyzing rock samples, Curiosity has provided evidence that Mars could have supported microbial life in the past. Perseverance landed in 2021. Building on the success of Curiosity, Perseverance was designed with even more advanced technology. Its mission is to search for signs of ancient life and collect samples that could be returned to Earth by future missions. It's even more advanced than Curiosity. Perseverance is equipped with sophisticated instruments, including a drill to collect core samples of Martian rock and soil, and a suite of sensors to analyze the planet's geology and climate. Perseverance is searching for signs of ancient life on Mars. This involves looking for biosignatures, which are indicators of past life, such as organic molecules and other chemical evidence preserved in rocks. It's collecting rock samples to bring back to Earth someday. These samples will be crucial for scientists to study in detail using advanced laboratory equipment that cannot be sent to Mars. Both rovers rely heavily on AI. The AI systems on board help them to make autonomous decisions, such as selecting which rocks to study and determining the safest paths to travel. AI helps them make decisions, analyze data, and stay safe. This technology allows the rovers to operate independently, as communication delays between Earth and Mars can be up to 24 minutes. They are paving the way for future missions to Mars. The data and samples collected by Curiosity and Perseverance will help scientists plan for human missions to Mars, bringing us one step closer to becoming an interplanetary species. Planning a space mission is super complicated. There are so many things to consider. Where do you go? What do you study? How do you get there safely? AI is becoming a key part of mission planning. AI can analyze huge amounts of data. It can look at different trajectories, fuel requirements, and scientific goals. This helps scientists design the best missions possible. AI can also help us during missions. It can monitor spacecraft systems and alert us to problems. This helps keep our astronauts and robots safe. Section 5. Whispers from Deep Space. AI listens in. Space is really big and, well, signals can be weak. This makes communication difficult. AI helps us receive and understand messages from deep space. AI filters out noise and interference, giving us a clearer signal. It can also translate different data formats. You see, different spacecraft use different systems. AI helps us make sense of it all. As we explore farther, communication will become even more challenging. AI will be essential for staying connected with our distant spacecraft. Section 6: AI Astronauts. The future is now. Imagine a future where robots and humans explore space together. That future is closer than you think. AI is making it possible for robots to do more complex tasks in space. AI-powered robots could assist astronauts with dangerous jobs like spacewalks. They could also help build and maintain structures in space. These AI astronauts would be like partners, working alongside humans to push the boundaries of exploration. Section 7: Space Buddies, AI and humans working together. Some people worry that robots will replace humans in space, but that's not the goal at all. The goal is to create a partnership. AI can handle the tedious and dangerous tasks. This frees up humans to focus on what we do best: exploration, discovery, and scientific inquiry. Together, humans and AI can achieve incredible things in space. We can explore farther, learn more, and expand our understanding of the universe. Section 8: The Final Frontier's new crew AI joins the team. AI is no longer science fiction. It's a vital tool for space exploration. AI helps us design missions, analyze data, communicate across vast distances, and even explore alongside humans. As AI technology continues to improve, its role in space exploration will only grow. We can look forward to even more incredible discoveries and achievements in the years to come. The future of space exploration is bright, and AI is lighting the way. Section 9: Space Exploration 2.0 – An AI-Powered Odyssey. Space exploration is about pushing boundaries. It's about asking big questions and seeking answers. AI is helping us do this in ways we never thought possible. It's an exciting time to be a space enthusiast. So keep looking up at the stars, because the next chapter of space exploration is being written right now. And AI is holding the pen, onward to the cosmos.